Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss on how to make money from Naisaa.com. Let's give you some surprise. If you have any skill like web development, graphic designing, data entry, then you can easily sell your service to Naisaa.com's buyer community. I think this is the best website for new freelancer because in this website they have very low competition. The most amazing feature is Naisaa.com charges only 10% of your earning, whereas other company charges 20% of your earning amount initially. So once you complete any order, you can have 90% of actual amount from escrow. After completing any order, you will be able to withdraw your money to your PayPal or Pay in your account. You can withdraw a minimum amount of $50 and a maximum amount of $5,000 to your payment methods. As a seller, you need to set up your profile and create a service to sell on this site. To create a new service, first go to your profile, click on My Service and then click on Add New Gig. Here, enter your service title, then select your service related category and set a delivery time. Then upload a thumbnail and set 3 prices for your service, which is low, medium and high. Next, write a description about your service. After fill all the information, click and save the gig. Note, only you and Naisaa's team member can see and order your service. Your service cannot show to the public buyers. Once Naisaa will get a new order, then they will order you manually via their staffs and corresponding members. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions or confusion about creating a new service. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get more updates.